Sometimes we forget to update our apps, and that means missing out on new cool features. So if you're using Spotify X, you don't want to miss the latest improvements. Luckily, updating Spotify X is super easy. So first, check the App Store on your iPhone or your Google Play Store on Android, and if there's an update, you're going to see the update button right next to the Spotify app. Another way is to open up the Spotify app, go to the settings, and see if there's a notification telling you about the latest version. Now, if you see one, tap to update, okay? Now, for those who use Spotify X as part of the beta test, make sure to join the Spotify beta program through TestFlight. This way, you'll always get the newest features first. Additionally, turn on automatic updates for your apps. That way, Spotify X will always be updated in the background without you needing to do it, okay? So basically, yeah, if you're excited to try out the latest updates, hit the like button, let me know something in the comments. Love you. Thanks for being here. Ciao.